Hey guys, how's it going? How to switch between accounts easily on Roblox. So first of all, log out of your current account. Click on the gear icon, the settings at the upper right, and then basically select the log out, and then log in with another account into the username and password for the other account that you want to access, and click login to switch accounts. Quick tips for easier switching. Basically, use different web browsers or incognito or private mode to stay logged in to multiple accounts simultaneously. This allows you to switch without logging out. And that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.